Premium software. In this video we will understand about the installment date logic. Now in master setup, product scheme, here fortnightly installment configured. In calculation logic, I have defined installment date as 16 and 31st. Now the challenge is, in some months will not have 31st or 31 days. So in that case, system will automatically decide the number of days, that is um, the month end date for that specific month. And in second scenario, I have configured 0, 31, which means it will decide that I need installment every month end. So if you want installment to fall every month end, then specify 0, 31. And in addition to that, we'll have to define the number of tenor and period should be day, because this installment date logic is only applicable for the tenor when you define the tenor as day. Okay. So we will see both scenarios, the fortnightly and the end of the month installment. I search a specific customer, click loan and select the fortnightly and simply click save. I search loan. In installment, it is created 16. In Feb, it has taken end of the month. In March, end of the March. April, end of the April. Okay. Now I'm going to search the customer and click loan. Select another example. Click save. 287. In installment, this installment is created for month end. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.